Alright, so first match,
Combate.
Theodore versus Valhel. Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, Valhel, nandito ka ba?
Bali. Ilan lang ba tayo dito?
Dito, andito.
Ano yun?
Valhel, nandito ka ba?
Andito po, andito.
Yun, okay. Isang namang slogan dyan. Slogan. Okay, game, game. Isang battle cry muna dyan, pre. Isa lang. Tayo lang. Sandali, Valhel. Isang malupit na slogan muna dyan.
Ano yan?
Pa-
Slogan ba
Paano, paano slogan?
Gegetsu.
Sige, pwede na yun. Okay. Theodore, nandito ka ba, Theodore? Theodore,
Yes,
nandito ka ba?
May caster tayo? Wala.
May?
May caster tayo?
Anong caster?
Yung
Yung
kunyari,
yung ko-comment sa
Meron,
game,
sa Zoom,
parang
dito,
ganun.
dito.
Yung comment.
Nasa Zoom.
kumbaga parang E7WC na nare-report yung
ito.
mga nangyari. Something like that.
Nandito, naka-record din. Naka-record ko siya. Ay, Theodore, nandiyan ka ba? Saan ka naman, Theodore?
Nandito. Oh, ayan.
So, anong battle cry mo, Glenn?
Ha? Ano yan?
Isang battle cry dyan. Isang slogan.
Battle cry. Teka. Teka lang. Yung tablet ko nandun sa kwarto eh. Wait lang.
Huwag na, sige na, tara na. Okay, so maya-maya, mag-ano tayo, no? Mag-raffle tayo after ng first match. So, diba? Para sa mga nandito, mga participants dito. Diba? So, nandiyan ka na, Glenn. Start na natin to, Glenn.
Oh, sige.
Okay,
G.
start na natin.
Let's
So,
go.
first match, first round, Theodore and versus Valley Hill. And match starts now. Magkakapal. So, wait lang. So, ilalabas ko muna si Theodore. Lagay muna natin sa at si Valley Hill. Okay. Alright. So, ito na. Okay, Reggie, nandiyan ka pa ba?
Ha? Ako ba?
Oo, yan.
Kaya daw, Caster, pre.
Sige ba? Okay lang.
Tama mo ako mag-commentate. Mas
Okay.
mas matindi yung experience mo sa akin dito.
Alright, let's start our first match.
Wait, pa-join pa lang. Wait.
Interesting
Josh.
one.
Si Josh ba yung nagsalita?
Binan sa right side ang Lady of the Scales at Barungka. Nakaban sa right side ang BBK at Fat Cat. First pick Zio. Yung first pick niya kaya. At first pick na.
The power of the chosen.
Ano magiging response kaya ng kalaban dito?
Uy, pro ka dito, Regan, ha?
Ayan, sanay lang ako manood ng mga tournament kaya medyo ngayon ko lang
Kaya
first
ka
time
pala
ko.
malakas eh.
Hindi ako.
Pero si Zio ba dapat pina-first pick? Parang hindi, no?
No, binabrand protect mo siya. Kasi,
Nakaban protect na.
yeah.
Who are you people?
Ayan.
Kasi pwede iba ng kalaban yung pag di mo binamprotect yan eh. Tsaka nire-read mo na yung parang baraha mo. Kasi pag nag-first pick ka ng CEO dito, sinasabi mo mag-leave ka.
Leave ka na eh.
Kaya pwede ba
Mind games daw eh.
Genoa.
Okay, so pinig ko si Celine, hindi na kayong karakter. Ayan, sige mag-comment. Try mo mag-share lang sa'yo.
Is this a Genoa Poly? The classic combo. Hesitating. Namimili siya ng ibabang protect niya. Taking his time to pick. Wow, what a surprise! Arbiter Bildred. Descending Blades sa Ban Protect. What?
The spirit of a commander.
Oh, mas surprise yun!
That's the first time I see that.
Time to
May
end
buff na
our
ba siya? Lumabas na ba buff nito? Hindi pa, no? Next week pa, right?
Di pa.
Hindi pa, right? Now he locks in Luna here, which is a good Ban Protect. It shuts down the passive, so Genoa is basically useless here pag nabuhay kung Luna sa turn niya. Mukhang may conflict na ba ata yung nasa left side natin kasi dapat, in my opinion lang, is Poly dapat yung binaban protect mo dun para may combo sa Genoa tsaka si Poly. Kasi may priority ka naman ng first turn eh. Wow, we're picking Requiem Rowana against sa Zio. You're telling na binaban mo, ibaban mo yung Zio dito. Yeah, it's a Poly. Baka may surprise build na hindi natin alam. Or something like that.
Fourth ban. Si, Zio. Fourth ban, Zio.
Yeah, we're picking Mordelix against sa Ceiling to counter, but there's a hand guy, so there's an immunity. So, hindi mo mapipirma. Re-reduce mo lang yung counter rate ng Ceiling. Pero dalawang soul burn lang kung tama yung build ng Ceiling na to. Wow, that's an excellent pick. He's banning Zio panigurado, I think.
Pero yun okay na eh. Wala na lang face reveal, pre.
Kaya, isa ako ngayon, kaya medyo
Hindi.
very good combo. Yeah, he's banning Zio. Is this Luna gonna outspeed the si Phantom Poly? If this outspeed the si Phantom Poly, this is over. If this Luna outspeed the si Phantom Poly, this is over. The Seal plus the follow-up sa Requiem Romana plus the Dark Shuri. There's no coming back from that. And the Luna takes the first turn.
You don't deserve my mercy.
There's no 15% pag sa soul burn niya to.
Wala na.
Wala na. There's a follow-up.
Now
So,
you know I can't let you live.
Anong pag-asa ni Dio mo?
First turn pa lang. Tapos na
and
yung
Ceiling can just kill the Genoa dito and
Instant
I think there's no coming back from this.
can become blast and
Yeah, there's no coming. Kasi ma-reset ka pa. The Ceiling can, wala siyang buff. Oh. Common mistake ng mga Celine. Pati na rin ako na dadala rin ako nito. Wag ka magsusolver pag walang buff yung Celine mo. Kasi naka-POV siya. I would go for the Genoa here kasi nakasil na, malambot. I don't know. Hindi na rin naman magka-counter yung more. Tsaka mababump rin naman yung Dark Shuri. Ka-AC kasi mabilis yun. Naka-reset naman natin. Check naman sa Chinik niya ba kung naka-reset yung more? Kasi kung naka-reset yung more, wala siyang pakialam sa more. Yun, naka-reset naman. So, bye everyone. Kasi, 9/11 to. Magiging 9/11 dito yung bye. And that's a classic play. So, what do we learn from here? You don't first pick Zio, you ban protect it.
Oh, yun. Nakuha niyo ba yun? Makinig kayo dyan kay Reggie na yung mga ang sawar dyan.
Ayun pala, lag pala sa boss.
Noted.
Makinig kayo kay Reggie.
Okay naman, hindi naman malagang yung stream natin.
Are you preparing?
Ano yung FP dito? Or mamimili yung kalaban yung okay. Mamimili yung talo kung sino.
Mamimili yung patalo kung sino mo una.
Will he come back from here? Or will he devise another strategy? Alam niyang cleave yung kalaban. Best of 3. Nawalan ng wifi. Baka rin yung sa akin mangyari sa akin mamaya.
Start na.
Red line pa yung wifi. Nag-offline ba? Walang pasabi dito eh. Best of 3, hindi pa yun tapos. Right? Ayun, bumalik na.
Ito.
Kaya bumalik
Alright.
siya. Start. Maki-carry over yung ban dito. Maki-carry
Ano?
over yung ban nung first. Oo, naki-carry over yung ban. I see.
Oo, sa round. Kung pag umabot ka ng 5 rounds, parang lunatic. Pero mas malala yung lunatic.
So, what do we do? What do we ban here? What does the left side ban here?
So, bale, sa round na to, ban pa din yung previous na ban. Tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, correct. So nakita mo yun, may pre-ban na. Ano pa? Aside from the on top of the pre-ban. Pag hindi naman yung ilalim,
Mortelix and Dark Shuriban.
Pero yung mga next game, ano lang, tig-isa na lang. Yung una lang yung...
maipon yan.
Are you going to
Okay, I think I get the idea kung bakit nito pina-first pick yung Zia para hindi makuha ng kalaban. I think yun yung idea.
Well, we'll see.
Di ba mas maganda iba na lang si Zio kaysa sa mapipilitan ka mag-first pick?
Yeah. Mas maganda talaga i-iban mo na lang si Zio kung mapipilitan kang i-first pick siya. Kasi kung yun magiging problema ng draft mo, pinipreborn mo na lang siya, if ever man. He's stunting down. Oh, there's the Luna.
Know about me.
One of
Hindi,
Zio's
actually may isa pa yan.
parang semi-counter kasi hindi mo mapupush back yung Luna. Or there's an orbital build red. Descend and blade guy.
Kahit ba nag soul burn si Zio, di pa rin mapupush back itong Luna.
No, hindi. Hindi ata kasi may skill effect nullifier si Luna eh. Tsaka bira makakita ng Zio na hindi ata. I think hindi.
Regen pwede. Basta walang immunity si Muna. Kasi yung first effect nung dispel. Tapos
Pag naka-soul burn.
Kung may immunity yung Luna, hindi siya ata mati-dispel.
Dispel, pushback, tsaka may debuff pa ba? Wala na. May low attack ata si Zio, di ba?
Lacking in Genoa.
Ayun.
Actually, may sa left side, we pick RB and Genoa, which literally dies to a Luna again. Pag nasil ka dito, this two basically is, Oh, there's a
I can
Setsuka.
see your desire.
Ayan, ito
First
maganda
match,
dito.
Setsuka.
Again, ito yung maganda dito. Pag nilast pick ni Theodore si Mort, magpo-force ban ngayon so iiwan niya si Zio.
Nakaban na yung Nakaban.
Ano ba si Mort? Ay, nakaban pala.
Nakaban si Mort. Binanong right side. Si Phantom here to contest. Pero alam natin na mas mabilis yung Luna sa si Phantom Poly. So there's that. And nagkaroon ng dalawang speed threat dito yung right side, which is yung TML tsaka yung Luna. Okay, we pick an match team here. I think that's for book. I think. If ever man.
Wala naman siya ibubuk eh.
Yan, nasa isip ko. Iniisip ko sino yung kailangan niya i-book doon.
There's
Dalawa na yung book niya eh. Sabi ko sino.
There's the mid. There's the mid. He's banning Zio.
Muna. Yun. O, diba?
Okay, kaso even if Zio goes first, walang follow-up. Wait lang. Yeah. Kung mas mabilis yung TML and yung Ami dun sa C-Poly, walang follow-up yung Zio eh.
Pay attention or you might
Oh, wow.
regret it.
Mabilis yung qualities niya.
Hindi, mabilis yung Amid. What? How did that Amid outspeed the Zio?
Ay, nakahubad tong Zio.
Ba't ang layo
Ba't
ni
na-outspeed
Zio?
mo Amid yung Zio?
Nakahubad yung Zio.
That's pure attack ang Zio.
Parang beans ba lang ata si Zio ha?
RB is gonna die. RB is going to the shadow of everything. He's not going back. Bye. Unless na hindi mag-win dito.
Don't put all your faith in me.
There's still a win con, I think.
Here.
Kasi may si Phantom Poly, Genoa ko pa siya dito kasi yun nga may Setsuka yung right side. Unless na i-silence mo yung Setsuka dito, which is yung tamang win con mo na yan.
The odyssey of your life was meant to bring you here.
Ano yung magiging sequence na to? But CC will survive here.
I've been waiting for
Mali.
you. Allow me to awaken your desires. You're not
RNG to, RNG.
Upgrade complete. All right,
Kaya
let's
ka.
do this.
50% plus 30% plus 20%. So max avoid si Setsu. Direct.
This is just perfect.
70%.
Summons ka na Dayage. And it's done. The Setsuka will counter here.
Wala na to.
Those who deny their fate
5k yung HP ng Zio.
Nakakati yan, nakombat.
Robad na ito. Will Ginawa solo base. Will Ginawa kan 1v4.
Hindi, malabo yan.
Will
winner.
Ginawa 1v4.
Alright, Valhalla.
Valhalla with a convincing win.
Galing. Alright, so with that, let's move on to round 2 ng ating matches. Sino may round 2 natin? Okay, sino yung round 2 natin? Round 2 is Yuki versus the Monster. Okay.
Mag-off na lang ako ng speaker.
Ano?
Mag-off na lang ako ng speaker para hindi ko makita yung ano. Hindi ko marinig ang
Sige.
commentator.
Okay lang, pwede ko marinig. Log ka naman. Ay, ano pala, the Monster, do you nominate Perma Ban Protect?
Hindi na, goods na ako.
Oh, yabang!
Goods na daw. Very confident.
Parang yan, palaban. Wait lang, okay.
Ano masabi, Yuki?
Parinig mo na slogan.
Very confident.
Anong masasabi mo doon, Yuki? Ang confidence ng iyong
Mabuti
kalaban.
nang matanggal agad para wala nang isipin.
O Yuki, nasa na yung slogan mo?
O ito, abangan na lang. May special challenge ako. Kung
Okay.
sino man makakagawa
Huwag naman
ng...
sa match mo. Huwag sa match mo.
Hindi, sa ano to, moving forward.
Sige, huwag mo. Mamaya mo na yan, ano?
Oo, may ano. After ng match, after.
Parang ano. So, okay. So, let's start na. Para hindi na yung sayang oras. Okay, so first match, second round, Yuki versus the Monster. And magkakatlas na.
Bakbakan na. First pick sa left side. Who are we banning here? Is it ba to?
Nakamit ako sa account ko.
Bakit na? Kanyang perspective yun. We got Lionheart ban and Tenebria ban, and sa left side we have a Pyrich ban and a Rinak ban. Okay lang ba to? Nakikita natin yung perspective ng pinipick ng...
Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Nakamute naman siya.
I'll protect
Okay,
you.
first pick Aras here. What would be the response of the right side? Oh, we have a Laika. Oh wow, it's a Fanny. Surprise! First pick ng right side, it's a Fanny. anti-injury Compygos, and a Yuffie. Abyssal Yuffie. So that's why nakaban yung Mort. Ay, kala ko Mort na nakaban. Nakaban yung LHC.
You may be worth my attention.
Left side picks Mort. And
No one can escape.
and locks in the BBK. What would be the response dun sa right side? This is an interesting pick because the Mort prevents the counters if ever dun sa Yuffie. The BBK is immortal and can dish out damage. So what would be the
Si
response?
Fen ba, si Fen ba viable pa rin sa PvP?
Fene is usually nasa 4 to 5 pick mo pag may injury yung kalaban, i.e. katulad ni DDR tsaka ni Shun.
Chance to run.
Can I go home?
Sa Syngelica plus a Syngelica and a GC Crown.
Okay, yung Syngelica
Si,
niya,
si Abyssal ba is ano pa rin? Defense base pa rin yung damage.
Ano siya? Yes. Defense scaling pa rin siya. Pero pag nag-S3 siya, mag-switch yung ano niya, scaling niya, mapupunta sa attack.
Could I give you a hand?
Pag 2,000 plus yung defense niya, prior pa, bago niya i-activate yung trauma, madodoble yung stats ng attack, tsaka speed.
Oh.
Kaya usually nakikita niyo nagzo-zoom yung Yuffie pag nag-S3 siya. Pag tapos siya mag-S3.
Mukhang may panalo na dito
And there's this, the Fedikato contest and the Ida. The foreign soul.
Share your wisdom?
We pick Aiden here. Pero kaso may Mort, so this Aiden will not counter. If the build is correct, the Flidica or the Fire Lidica should go first. If the build is correct, the Fire Lidica should go first. If the Fire Lidica goes first, it will be troublesome dun sa left side. Kasi yung tempo
We'll stand against them.
yeah, the Lidica goes first. Yung tempo dun sa right side dito ay masisira. You will get restricted death break dito. Magkakaroon ng kill target yung what? Oh yeah, may Yuffie kaya hindi mo pa
may Mort.
May Yuffie kaya hindi siya
But I can still be your worst nightmare.
Yeah, may someone's gonna die here. Hindi someone's gonna die. And casually one shot.
Di nag-proc yung holy fuck.
I think the play here is since na walang immunity yung guard captain ko. Trinay mo dapat. Kung walang immunity, kung tama ko ng memorya, is to S3 the crown. Tama ko. Kasi may Yuffie. Kaya hindi mo makukumpleto yung early defense to S3. And the 80 is going crazy.
True love.
This is basically BBK 1v4.
Only by the will of the goddess.
So, you need to practice. Okay, mature hindi siya Elbris, hindi siya Olsa.
Everyone's so energetic.
Naku, pag di na...
Who's next?
Is this Alexa? No, it's not Alexa. Score hindi lang nag-proc. 10k BBK. I don't know if this will be enough. It will be. It is enough. It is enough. So who do we kill here? The BBK just simply gonna 1v4 here, I think. No. Wait lang. May stun pa yung Crow.
So I'll become ash.
I felt that give you a taste of real
Hindi. Nakalimutan niya kung gaano kakunat si GC Crow.
You're no fun.
Yeah.
Sana Fene na lang.
BBK will send to the moon here.
I love it. Heretics will be punished.
BBK will get sent to the moon. Who do we lock in? Oh, almost. Almost.
This will save.
Let's get it over with. I need some shut-eye. Don't go dodging.
And it's over. I think. Because the alien is still involved.
Easy now. Oh, I
Please
felt
share your
that.
wisdom.
And it's just gonna kill the
Is it my turn?
Fire Lady.
It's while since I let loose.
I think yung play nga talaga siguro doon, in my opinion sa una, is to reset, to push back the crowd ng Fire Lady pa. Kasi namatay yung Mort eh.
Kaya,
Ano talaga, minsan nakakalimutan mo may Yufin pala yung kalaban, kaya bawal mo gamitin S2ST. It happens to all of us.
ang lagi ko nakakalimutan sa ML Aria eh, na parang SDN na rin. Yung iba nga guys, pakitag nga yung mga wala pa.
Malilate daw ata si lead si Z.
Ay, sorry. But,
First pick yung kalaban. That's a surprise.
we are in the second round between the monster and Yuki.
Will the left side change the strategy?
Bahan mo si GC Crown.
A little bit misplay lang yun eh. Nasa kanya na sana kung hindi lang siya talaga nag-misplay. Sayang. Knockball ban.
Wala kang muna to si Yuki, no? Napol at which Lermia. So alam mo na,
Get started?
ko to si Uy, may setso ko pala si Ada. Ayan na. Team Immortal.
Era's first pick. Wow, we're really picking on Mickey here. First pick. We're really doing this.
Ready for your
Actually,
punishment.
ginagawa ko rin
Very
yan.
interesting kong. It's an Aram second.
I smell living creatures.
So, the right side pick the Imeru here. So, if ever man na yung right side ay mauna, the Aram will put immunity dun sa buong team niya, which renders the Imeru here. If ever man mauna yung right side.
Pero may shadow siya. Dispel yan.
Wait, is this a clip setup? Tapos anchor yung Amiki? Wait,
You
said so. So, what would be the response mo sa kabila? Hasol.
Pa-prep na si
Respect to
Yuki.
that pick. Hindi, to be honest, di ko rin alam ginagawa yun. Alam ko lang may fixed damage yun or something.
Si Hasol, every time na nagka-counter yung kalaban, lumalakas yung bawas niya.
I see.
Pero I
Plus 1,000 yun, di ba?
It's not enough.
So,
here,
wala na mag-activate yung sa... Wala mag-activate yung sa bubo.
Mabilis tong Pindelica niya eh. Ang pag-asa ni Adam dito mag-dodge. Pero walang killer si
No,
walang DPS si Yuki.
The Imeru is still a DPS in my opinion. pag naka-fairy tail. No, it's not Tagahe.
I hate getting hurt.
Medyo
The default
mahina ang...
sino yung dudugulat ako ng meron dito? Yung pinagtataka ko.
Can become your light.
Okay.
I desire your flesh.
Okay. Soulburn. Who is Soulburn?
Attack.
Yeah, that's a good that's the right play.
How weak.
Amiki is awake.
Hit me?
Gising yung Amiki.
Sayang. Bakit si Karo na inatake niya?
Sino?
Si Karo yung inatake niya, no? Yung Amiki.
I'll have to increase my firepower.
Okay, ito na. Push. Go na push. Tapos step ko pa with
Naka-bloods.
Kita na yung I2 ah.
Give yourself.
Yeah. Ignore ERS3 niya kaso hindi pa rin siya pwede mag-counter. Oh! Where's the setup? Oh, it one shot.
Sige na, yan ang plano. Earth, no?
That's the plan, I see.
There's not a limit out there that I can't surmount.
All right, let's do this.
So the Amiki is really the anchor here. If ever man mawalan siya ng gas dito dun sa left side.
It won't be an easy fight.
May sin doesn't matter sa Amiki. Wala nang positive.
Handle this.
Wala namang passive Amiki, so Secret Sight!
This one.
Here I go.
We're cooking here!
Is that all you've got?
It's a Secret Sight Amiki! Wait, bakit walang passive yun? Walang immortality yun? Hindi, walang walang passive si Amiki.
Yung Sharon.
Ah, okay. Okay, I see. Kaya pala. Found. I mean, the right side still got to
guide me.
Depende kung mag-miss siya dito
To the
or
depths.
wala na Amiki.
I desire your flesh.
It's Jover. Just so
Don't let them escape.
On your way.
nice.
How weak.
DPS pala.
The Aimero is still a DPS. Wala lang hindi.
Yun. Congratulations.
And another 2-0.
GG.
Hindi mo ba? Alright. So, before we move to the third round, Adam, ano announcement mo?
Yan, announcement. Moving forward.
Hmm.
Kung sino man ang makagawa ng team na puro mga sexy at mga gandang characters at manalo. 100
Okay. So pag ang binuong team, dapat may dapat may vital statistics.
Kailangan bobacious. Bawal lang
Bobacious.
Oo.
So pag 5 karakter mo bobacious, tapos nanalo ka, bibigyan ka ni Adam ng 100 na Gcash. Okay? Okay, so any questions? Violent okay?
Tanong dito, ba't di daw, yun yung pinagtaka nung unang-una, ba't di lumabas yung imo ni Amiki? Na-reset yung Sharon, na-reset yung Sharon, ng Bin Sharon.
Kasi nag-dual attack yung Sharon. Anyway, okay, so we'll move to the third round of
Sino third ka?
Adam, share ko yung challenge link ko.
Ano yan?
Yung challenge. Para makita mo yung paano nga ito yung sinishare? Wait lang guys.
As long as walang Sky Striker pan, we're fine.
Wait lang. Paano nga ba sinishare? Ito ata. Share ko si Ada.
Limited yung Dracotail. Dracotail nga ba?
Para lang iyan napakita mo.
Vanquisher na limited.
Ano yan?
Hindi, sa
okay, so your next match, si Ravi tsaka si Sinon. Alright. Ravi at si Sinon. Nasa si Sinon? Wala. Ayun, pala. Uy, champion pala itong si Sinon. Gusto ko nakikita ang member, champion. Okay na Adam. Ayan. So, again, no? Okay, yung gustong adjust natin. Ano ko pala. The winner dito is si Violet. Si Violet. Okay, tapos the monster, si Yuki, which is
Oh, it's Travelicious.
okay, next. Okay. So, let's start third round, no? Again, no, yung
Okay,
mag-pick.
this is an interesting fight. It's Travelicious and Sen.
Pag nag-pick kayo na 5 Bobacious, for sure hindi sasali si Rabi dito. Ayan.
Let's go.
So, 5 Bobacious. Okay. Parang gusto ko sumali dyan, 5 flat. Okay, so wait lang. Okay, move natin si Ginon to waiting room and sit down.
What would be the ban dun sa left and right side dito? Will Ravilicious pick Ravi here? Sinong Ravi kayo ipipick niya dito if ever man? Okay. Let's see it. Ivan, Lats, and Arunka. There's an Amid ban. Right side is a typical ban with Lats tsaka Arunka.
Sunday drivers.
And Amid and Luna ban. Pera. Usually, if you pick Pera here, may follow-up na dito, which is FCC. We're seeing a standard gameplay now.
I will not give
Shall we do this? Yeah, we're seeing a standard play now.
I can still endure.
Oh, well, prior which is serious. We're ready. We're cooking here. We are cooking.
Ito ang papanorin natin, Okay.
Spiritual
And
energy
Spirit
here.
Eye.
At ano purpose ni
Wait,
ML?
I think, in my opinion, that's counter pick sa sarili niya because feeling ka na 3-5 mo because of the
Kasi nga dahil tiras.
It's anti-synergy, yun yung term ko, anti-synergy. You pick
May tama, counter pick kasi yung tiras Kasi
and we're picking Harsetti here. I think that's a force plan yung Harsetti in my opinion. Kasi magiging RNG fiesta yung lalo.
Meron.
Oh, yan na. May contender tayo.
And we have a Fida here. What do we ban? Okay,
Wala, mali.
didn't ban the Harsetti.
Si Bryce Seria is flat. Okay?
What is the CR gonna be? Oh, the Genesis Trust
Adam,
goes
pick me CR.
first.
Adam, pick me CR.
It's best I end it here.
Adam.
I've more important matters to attend to.
Adam,
This is a
pick me
Visual
CR.
Crowd.
Yan. O, diba? Aba, bilis
Okay.
mong run. Ay, hindi. Naka-Harsetti.
May Harsetti, so there's that.
So,
So, how many death breaks will it land here? Ilang death breaks yung makukuha nito?
Blessings be with
Okay,
you.
there's the cleanse.
I'm left with no choice.
Ganda naman ng pick niya, Ayuwola. Galing.
How many things na masasilence dito?
There's no
And
mercy.
there's so many debuffs.
I will judge your sin.
Tida.
Someone's gonna die.
Ay, hindi.
Someone's gonna die.
Trust me.
Kasi si Rina Kinek. Galing.
I
Galing.
command.
Galing, Rabi.
Perish.
32,000 ra.
Can you keep up with me?
So, ito skip Miracle Pera. Hindi pa siya nagra-rank up soldiers. Okay, so it might get turned around here.
Hindi, Mira.
But if mawala yung Harsetti dito, the other side will have a tempo here kasi mabagal.
22K.
If mamamatay yung Harsetti, okay,
Challenge me? Fine.
wait, hold up. Hold up.
Need someone to ride with?
Okay, so may tempo na yung kabila. Kukuha niya ulit yung pinigay ko.
Dapat si Pede yung sinili.
Yeah, I
That's
think
my
ano,
guard.
This is like a dream
right? Dapat Freda yung
Pero kaya
simulator.
niya yan. Kaya niya yan.
I'm still standing. Is it time?
Kasi, pag double
Quite
attack pa siya,
Very nice.
You have a nice
Oo.
Na
time.
Ras is quite
Double attack pa
fast.
siya eh. Kailangan niya ng impulse
Can you keep up with
Na Ras is quite fast.
Hit their
So Maberius, super
That's my
slap.
guard. I'm still
Okay, it's slapping. It's slapping. Does the Ras has S2?
Could I give you a hand?
I think wala, no?
Ayan, mag-aapag-ito na yan.
my guard.
Siya S2 na ba yung Ras? Meron na.
Deliver.
O, diba? Tapos,
A
pero
simple
dapat
task.
Yeah, I think Ras wins this.
That's my guard. There's no
Wins. Oh,
mercy.
mercy.
There was never a place for you.
wala, matagal.
To belong in this
Pagtagal ko pa makukuha yun sa akin isang linggo.
Ayan,
Ravi
the first
wins
one,
with Genesis Ras.
Ravi.
I guess when I away,
Okay.
no longer be there.
Alright. Round. Oh, bilis na. At ang first pick, si Sinon. Wala mo.
Mortelix ba? And
Bunch
another
of Sunday
player.
drivers.
Classic rin na.
Save ka pa.
Classic rin na Zio.
Find me? Your emperor?
Let's go in fast here. I don't
Come
know
on,
about
I'll
that.
take you all down.
Kasi alam mo, magkiklip na yung kalaban eh.
Kasi may
Okay, that's a good thing, I think. Unless na may
may counter-pick sa sarili niya kasi mag-support siya.
ML big or something like that. Oh, it's DDR.
For death.
He's pivoting back sa standard, I think. And a conqueror.
Obey, if you
That's
wish
gonna ramp
to.
up the Renak damage.
I want candy.
It's gonna ramp up the Renak damage. We're picking Rural here.
Ikaw, sino pipick mo dito?
Saan? Sa left side? Sa
Sa
right?
right side. Ganyan yung line na.
I mean, it's decent na may
Already.
dito. Kaso,
Okay.
what are you going to do sa Renak?
Kaya nga eh. Pwede, motiban mo.
Trust me.
I don't know, but wait lang.
Parang sa sa Rinak ako. Rinak. Yan.
So, Ras won't seal anything here, if ever man.
Hindi,
Wait.
Kasi may, kung mapuput ni Hangay
kapag
immunity,
nag-second turn si Zio,
I am the rightful
malalawin ni Hangay immunity niya.
Kneel for me.
Diba?
Feeling my sword.
So, kailangan patayin niyo dito.
Scar those in our way with destruction and fear. I'll make you taste despair.
Huwi the baking here. Huwi provoke here.
I won't fall.
In my opinion, dapat rinuhook niya yung Kawari. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng immunity ngayon dito eh. Which is hindi niya, wala na siyang masisil. Kung tama ako ng pagkakaalala. Walang strip S2 ni Ras kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
Walang?
Walang strip yung S2 ni Ras.
Wala. Ignore lang. Ignore.
Kaya wala kang masisil ngayon dito. Tapos pwede pa mag-miss yung ano. Unless na mapatay mo yung Sharon dito.
This is my mission. And your fate.
Kasi wala siyang mid eh. Sabi, kasi wala siyang mid eh. Yun yung sabi. Kasi wala siyang mid eh. Wala siyang mitigation. There's still
Ayun
a
na.
chance, technically. May
Wala
Setsu
na,
ka pa
patay na sila niya.
May Setsu ka pa naman, so there's that. Kaso may S3 ata yung DDR. May S3 pa yung DDR?
Sensing corrupt energy.
Meron pa.
Yeah,
Let me guide you onto the.
Come, I'll take your life.
Very well.
This is it.
You'll make an excellent specimen when this all runs its course.
Sabi ko, wala palang pakialam sa mitigation. Kasi, wala palang wala palang pakialam kung masin or hindi yung sa right side. Kasi wala namang mitigation. And Setsuka is good.
Are you going to
Plus, we're just gonna wait na masil niya tong Setsuka and it's Jover. Marami niyang sales. Dapat na best pwedeng isin. Hindi na kailangan pala isin.
It's only not.
Alright.
That's the reason kung bakit tactic si Jiras.
The power of the chosen.
So, dapat talagang tawag ito dun sa term na yun. Pinuprosige na i-build. Yan pala, kunin. Kasi top tier pick talaga siya. Puro 2-0 na walang nagtatay. As of now na walang tie.
Wala pa.
Lucky. Nakaka-excite naman ito din.
Jowash and Q. Okay. And
Setsuzi ba?
our fourth match
Your defiance
between
amounts to
Q
nothing.
and Jowash. At ito na si Lots.
First pick Lots. Standard.
And how would Q react? Ikaw ba, wala ka rin summer photogenic, di ba?
Yung.
Ikaw?
Meron. Meron ako. Yung
meron ka.
Summer
Hindi
photo.
ka-
Yung solin ko, meron.
So, there's still
Problema yung
fuel to
si
purge.
Lots, no?
This is your last chance to back.
Just follow my lead.
FCC. Is this? Yeah, okay. Yan lang Yan na yung synergy ng Lots. It's a BBK in the front. Basically tatlong buhay. Immortality sa Lots, immortality niya sa una. Tapos immortality sa passive niya. So tatlong buhay talaga. So, what do we do here? Tapos naka-summer photogenic pa yung BBK. No? Wala rin mitigation. Wala rin kwenta mitigation mo dito. Unless na Albedo ka or di kaya Carmen.
Yung BBK na kasama na budget. Tapos si Soli nang nilagyan mo na ano? Sa
Si
Gilbert na rin.
Phantom Politis.
I'm growing tired of this. Do not surrender.
Are you
Okay, that's a
done
good
playing
Harsetti
hero?
pick here.
No, Hatol, contender ba to? Yung lineup?
Sa right side is fine. Sa left side is kind of wonky. Kasi you are forced to ban the Harsetti now. And the BMH won't do damage sa Ilya now.
We both
Yeah, you're
know
forced
how
to ban the
this
Harsetti
ends.
here.
O iyan, ano ba to? Special prize contender ba tong si Joe?
Counted si Jowash.
Very good pick sa right side.
Parang si BBK parang kulang. Parang
So Corset is ban. I would assume the left side would take turn 1 here.
Tanong natin Regan. Regan, pasok ba sa Bubay si BB?
Sword knows no mercy.
Sa
sa Bubay
DJB?
Sa DJB.
Hindi ko marinig ano daw.
The juicy
Those
boobs.
who wish to surpass themselves.
Sabi mo bang bobacious si BBK?
Put your life on the line.
Pero maano?
Just cut them.
Ano? Malaki yung hinaharap niya or sa I think so.
Life is
Contender nga to, contender.
Hindi, parang hindi eh. Ano ba? Parang muna lang eh. Iniisip ko kasi muna level eh. Muna lost level eh. You know?
Okay,
I shall bestow a benediction almighty.
Parang kulang eh. No?
Honor their wishes. I will.
Okay, this is good. Kasi win the... Okay, hindi.
All I have is
Wait, is that 3F? Ay, hindi. Sa ano pala? Sa Abundance.
This is the pain you chose.
It's time to test the limits
Okay.
of my magic.
Ano nangyayari doon? Ba't walang bawas? Walang bawas yung family.
Hear my voice.
Tapos hindi.
The promises of this
Who
spear
would be killing here? Is this DPS? 35k?
Okay.
We're ignoring the LPK. Okay, wait lang. May kill target yung BBK.
Nalification nata yan, kaya walang bawas yung power.
Oh, wow.
Ang minolify.
Someone's gonna die.
Shit, ba't nakagab to? Saan nakuha yung gab dito? Ano, Alexa?
Alexa's basket.
Damn!
Parang ibigay ba natin ng special prize?
Yung most improved player of the year ah. Oh, yun ba? Sa mga sa mga susunod na match, no? Okay? Reiterate yung yung may pa 100 G kapag pinili Bobacious. Okay. Tagal ah. Tinagad ah.
I knew we'd meet again.
Corset ban. Oh, first Witch of the Mare Tenebria. They say na isa lang yung counter sa kanya.
Sino si Peda?
Isang playstyle lang pala. Either you cleave it or you go first dito sa kanya. Kasi napaka-debilitating ng debuffs niya. Either you cleave him, cleave her pala.
Actually, recently, ginagawa ko ngayon.
Or Fida.
Pag ganyan, binibitbit ko Jiras, SSB, tsaka si Peda. Yung Magic Tree na yun. Yung Magic Tree ko.
Yun, katulad yung Celine, pwede rin.
Yeah, Celine din. Pwede. Ang problema kasi kay Celine, pag pinik mo for round 3, before pick 3, na maglalabas ng Lermia, lintik na, o kaya magsasalpak ng ng Genua.
Would you like to be my next meal?
Ikaw ba yung Celine mo? Yung green Celine mo, naka pa rin ba? EE2 o EE3?
Yung EE ng Celine ko ay highest attack.
Highest attack.
Highest attack.
Para sa mga Conquer Lilias. Sinarayin ko palitan eh.
We're picking more.
Okay, more. At bakit si
Siguro
Mort?
sa Ignore ER.
Bakit si Mort may death pen yung kalaban?
Henry RB is good here.
Okay. At saka may LP, hindi niya ma-stun yan.
I think.
Anyways.
I mean, may lot siya, so there's that. Ayun, maganda rin to.
Like to see.
So there's a Hangay. Again, walang mitigation ng left side. So, tatlong...
kasi ibaba niya. Perfect.
Walang mitigation ng left side. So, isang S3 ng BBK, isang S3 ng RB, isang S3 ng Mort.
Paalam. Sabihin mo kaya patay ni Mort si NSD.
As expected.
So, are we going to S3 here? Decisions.
S3 na yan para mag-review.
Already too late to escape.
I hear the footsteps of
walang gap.
destruction. Do not expect to
Is this
the ceiling almost got here. I think you can S3 here kasi pag namatay yung RB dito, patay ka rin.
by the majesty of
Pag namatay yung RB dito, patay rin yung left side.
Now, let us begin.
Come on, let's go.
Nangyayari.
Huh? Is it my turn?
Okay, what the? 50-50. 50-50. Do you kill the RB na may evasion?
Should I show you my secret weapon?
I think it's 20%.
It's not my fault. You get hurt.
Okay, we're putting here. US3 here, 100% US3 here.
So, pupunta to kay Mort. Si Mort may H-stack ba to?
Or US2, S2 daw, Mort. Eh, kaso may miss chance ka.
Wala na to.
US3 here.
Wala.
Only when I'm dead will this end.
Okay. Will it kill the... Walang attack buff. Kaso 1 HP siya. So will it kill the haste? Will it kill the haste here? He needs to kill the haste here. Oh, it will kill. Regardless. Kasi tatapakan siya ng Mort dito. So regardless yun.
Tapos na. And, again, safe to say, Joe was yun. Ay, si Joe was
Puro 2-0 yun, oh. Walang nagtatry. Baka sa akin yung mag-tie.
Ay, si Joe was
Puro 2-0, puro sweep.
Bakas si Joe was
GG! Puro sweep yung nangyari.
Hintayin natin ang ano ni Joash kung mapagtatanggol niyang papasa si BBK sa
Okay, next match is Mapios sino to? Si CJ ba to? Wala ata si Maki, kasi
Walang contact? Yung dalawa wala, no?
Wala sila parehas eh.
Yung next, may nag-message ba? Nag-message.
Anyway, sige, let's move to the next na lang. Let's give chance na lang din. For fun lang naman din talaga. Okay, next is Iris Biel and Moy Moy. Pakitag si Moy Moy. Moy pala, boy. Where's you? Where is you, Moy?
While waiting, Joash, nandito ka na ba sa room?
Shotgunning man on stop. Sorry.
Puta, may robot.
Jowash ba yun?
Yabang si Jowash. Grabe.
Kabado pa ako.
Pre, interview. Tingin mo ba?
Okay, ano ang sabi mo, Jowash, sa match
BBK
review?
ipapasa sa...
Kabado ako, talo na ako neto next.
Bakit naman? Hindi naman ako nakikita. Grabe yung issues. Kaya mo yan, mahina yan.
Si Iris Bill rin nata.
Okay, yan. Ano si Moy Moy?
Na-chat ba natin? Ano? Parin si Iris
Anyway,
Bill
so let's move on.
si Moy.
Pag wala sila. Para fair. No? Okay, next match. Regen versus Delteros.
Okay, next na ako. Mute ka lang ha. Mute ko lang.
Hindi, ilalagay kita sa waiting. Okay.
Nakakaba na next match.
Nasa si Delteros? Wala na yan. Alright, so next match, fifth match versus Delteros and Regen. Medyo malayo ang na rank, pero let's see. Kakayanin. Dam, start na tayo. Dam, start na. Hindi ko nakikita, Adam. Share me.
You still have time to submit.
Okay, so for the first pick ni Regen, sila agad.
Sorry.
At si Delteros is FTC.
As long as I'm holding
For
the
the
spear,
ban, ayaw ni Regen. Si Zio and Teddy. Okay, so obviously,
I can see it's hollow justice at best.
And so actually guys, no, yung mga newbies dyan, pagkalaban nyo si Regen, ban nyo agad si Amid. Okay? So si Amid lang ibaban. Para sure win. Tapos, ayan. Okay, at naglabas ng yan.
Paradise.
Mukhang 4 na pick na lang
You called for
sayang.
Your ruin fast approaches.
Magiging contender, magiging
Din ako dito, no? Kung nag-evade sila sa K-Tail ko pa, no? Kung laban kay 3, no? Kakayanin ko yan. Alright. Ano pa naman?
Legend break pa, bigyan mo ako, tinurog ako ni Mafioso last tournament.
Si most improved player of the year. Jowash, munti ka naman natin ng 100 giga.
Ay, sayang.
Pero pwede bibigyan kita ng chance. Tingin mo ba dapat kasama sa Bobecio si BBK?
This will be the last moon
Consider
they
mo
see.
ba ang Bobecio sa BBK?
Parang hindi eh. Parang sa akin hindi eh. Dapat
parang sa akin, medyo oo, kasi yung carry na plane, pasado eh, same model lang yun eh.
Right.
Yung ano kasi, yung sprite niya, di ba? Parang naka-template yung mga boobs, parang lahat sila pare-press ng site ng boobs. Hindi ko naman dalawang yan, no? Nakita mo yung naban na yan, nakita mo naman yan. Yung sinabi ni BBK dyan.
Pero
diba?
mukhang itong si Delteros contender. Lalaki niyan eh.
Ay, contender nga. Pero parang si FCC, hindi ako sure.
Parang si FCC, yun lang din. Oh, yeah, ano din yan?
Diba?
Question mark.
Alam mo, nalo lang ako kukuha ng gilet ko. Kukunin ko yan. FCC. O, di ba? Parang kulang sa FCC.
Have faith in me.
Ay, hindi parang pwede si
Take my power.
Makikita natin sa animation pagka
Parang pwede din na hindi eh. Hindi mo, parang hindi. Kulang eh.
Future
Hindi kasi hindi siya ganun pa rin. At ito na,
shall
nagsimula
flourish
ng ating
once
team.
again.
I shall
Ang
present
bina
you
niya
with a
si
chilling
Ay,
tale.
naku.
Nawala ng internet.
Okay, wala na to. Tapos na to. Unless na mag-dodge. Mag-sorte silang dodge.
Feeling ko pag maka-dodge.
Ano kaya si?
Tignan natin kung ano.
Delteros na tayo na wala.
DC yan, DC. Magkatabi ang D tsaka X.
Ah.
Yan ang mapapatay ni Stray sa SS.
Okay, so Adam, silipin mo si FCC.
CC.
Magbuksan mo nga dyan sa screen mo si FCC. Tingnan nga natin si FCC kung ano kung pasok ba talaga yan sa ating promo.
Mukhang pasok eh. Naku
Pasok ba?
ha.
Pasok? Yan.
Tama, Pauline Cecilia.
Ayan. Mga policy.
Pasok eh.
Pasok ba?
Ano naman yan eh. Tayo sa sandaro.
Ayan, na.
Tip-top shape.
Ay, parang kaya lang, yun lang.
This'll sting.
Bakit ka dito ba yung namin strays?
Ha.
Yun lang.
Just wait and see.
Uy!
The shards of moonlight will fall.
Ay, mag-dodge. Kailangan yung mag-dodge oil dito.
Moonlight. Pour down.
Yeah. Welcome to hell.
Okay. Push mo na.
Pwede pala yun,
I-push mo na
maski si Lux yung nasa harap, magkaka-invulnerable din mo.
Yung?
Yan, yung position ni Lux.
A troublesome child.
Oh, pwede siya.
I've been waiting for you.
Okay, blind.
This is what you wanted, isn't it?
May pagkaso sila no? Problema ka. Problema, paano mo papatay? May pagkaso. Pero... Holy moly!
Your attitude, how irreverent. Born of thy wretched sacrifice, may rapture
pala tong
the
hype.
world. An eternal
Tapos ang
night
vaccine.
will
Ngayon,
reign.
kailangan yung dodge yan. Uy, yung dodge!
Did I make you nervous?
Oh,
What cannot be avoided must be overcome.
Meron kayo 3F. Di ko napansin kung may 3Fs yan eh. Yan. So, anong pag-asa dito? Sobrang nipis ni Kisei tsaka ni Ray. Okay? So, sobrang patilim yan. So, kailangan mag-dodge. Di ba? Oh no! Puta na! Oh no! Isang lucky win! 30% charge.
You do know the terrors of the night.
Please, have faith in me.
Yun lang.
Para sa
There's
100.
still hope.
Nako,
You
malapit.
must fight
Sir ba kung ano or naka-report? Dapat naka-report ka.
from the cracks of despair. The buds of hope sprout forth.
Let's see what you got.
Wala nang pakisik-isik. Twice. Sana mag-twice.
Just wait and see. No one can hide from the light of the full moon.
Did I make you nervous? Give in to your desires, and you'll finally be free!
Mukhang may
Pay
mananalo na.
attention or you might regret it.
Yun lang!
Just wait and see.
Okay, kaya mo ba mabuhay?
What cannot be avoided must be overcome. We must fight. I'll protect you. Pay attention or you might regret it.
Mabubuhay ka ba?
Finally, our silly fight is over.
Ay na, tinabahan na. Nagmawis ang puwet ni Regine. Ayan. Okay guys, so yan na, para ko sa kay Regine. Text ka. Alright, next match. Man, Rina, 15.
Bossy, aren't we?
Laro pa.
Someone needs to be made an example of.
Dalawang tingnan mo kay Adam mo. Kasi yung skin ni FCC parang di ba nawala na bawasan.
Oo.
Di ba? Hindi mo naman yan, no?
I can see.
Parang malalaglag na yung ano, no? Parang mapupunit.
I'll give you a taste of defeat.
Do you
May
know
contender
about
naman
me?
tong si ano eh.
Yeah.
Dragon Drake eh. Yung pick up niya oh. Papasa pa lahat eh.
Alam mo ito si Liam, minsan pipestingin ka na yung, yung character mo eh. Minsan 5% dual attack kakagat. Mas matatalo ka eh. Kaya, inuuna ko talaga yung si Liam. But, tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis ang muna ni Regen. Sino ang, for sure, mauna naman yung Rinak dito, no?
Nako, laglag na.
Laglag na.
I know.
Wala na. Laglag na pareho.
Ayan, laglag na. Okay, magandang pick si BJB kay FCC. Kasi nababago. Uy, ayan na sila. Okay, so sinong keeper niya dito? May tatlong keeper, dalawang support. Perfect. Good pick, Kid Monteros. At,
Can you keep up with me?
Okay. So, second round between Regen and Dolteros. So far guys, ito yung best match. Yung kanina, medyo yung mga clutch, ano, sarap makita eh. But ito na. So, Rinak goes first. At, ano, so walang ito yung follow-up yung problema. Ano.
Forgetting something?
But, tingnan natin kung anong gamit ni
Trying to get away or
yung Guardian ng Crystal yan. Mapupush ba siya?
dare block my way?
If not, kung naka-item mo,
With me
yun
backing
lang
you up.
nakatulong sa Leon. So, kaya mo ka, saka
Need
sino
someone
lang.
to ride with?
So, mag-pop you muna. Okay lang. Let me dig in.
Time to end our twisted fate.
Diba? So, he won't. So, again, opt for the S2, hitting
You have
Rina.
weakness all over.
Go up, and kakapit
Can't really talk about it. Exciting.
Let's see what will Akatis do in his push. Push Rina. Okay, at ito na.
Nothing to worry about.
Ano ang kakalabatin ni
I'm always open to new opportunities.
Pichu, Makati rin to eh. 20 at 23k. Kung naka-pen to, Makati si Chu. Ayun, Makati nga.
You're in for a surprise.
Okay, DJ Basin, meron protect na ko.
What'll happen now?
Ako yan, Auchi, ay, matanggi.
I'll show you how it's done. Going out with friends is quite fun, actually. The power of the desperate is with us.
Now, Jill.
You don't deserve my mercy.
Jill again strip. Doesn't strip. Okay.
Come on, impress me.
At ito na. Luminak.
My turn now.
For a bruising match. Huwag ka lang
As long
magbubuwala
as
ta.
I'm holding this spear, I won't back down.
Wala pak mo lang.
To break and to destroy. That is a survival.
Hindi pa kaya
I will control this
nilagyan
power.
pa, no? Given na halos pa 50% HP na yung sila team Militero.
Nothing in this world is free.
At, yeah, daw na.
Won't do it. Darling.
Will not, cannot kill the 3 HP based unit.
It's hollow
Ang
justice
luna
at
ni
best.
Jin, 13k HP lang. Okay? So medyo hindi, ano pa, fast? Extra fast?
Do I scare you?
Ito yung dahil.
Damn! A bunch of Sunday drivers.
Okay, that.
Stand straight! That's ballsy, aren't we? Time to
And
face the consequences! Forgetting something?
medyo lumala.
Brace yourself.
Knock it down to
If you
what?
don't mind.
9%, 10%?
Trust
Something
in
barrier?
power. What, you think this is a joke?
With given S3 we shoot through.
Are my sweet babies all ready? Wipe them out.
And again,
Dare!
no,
You dare block my way?
at ayaw pang i-give up. Lalaban pa si Akate. Muna, si
Time
Akate.
to end our
Secret
twisted
weapon.
I will honor
Ayun
their
na,
wishes.
may combat ready na si Akate.
Once
And
more.
again,
Who was here I'd win
in
from
the
the
next
beginning?
round.
So this is hardly surprising. Can you keep up with me?
And with that, next match is Taji versus me. Yours truly. Hindi na ba si Mafi, Israel, Moy Rishbiel, at CJ? Tanji. Nandiyan ka na ba, Tanji?
Dito na, grabe, raffle lang pinunta ko dito eh.
Raffle ba? Sige, mamaya. After the match natin yung paparaffle tayo. Ano wala nang iba? Okay. So, with that, start the match.
Can you sweat the first game?
Labas mo na ako.
Okay, pagkakataon na nating trash talkin ng ating guild leader.
Posible itong isa.
Sabi niya, kukunin niya daw 100 ko. Tignan natin kung makukuha nga ba.
Ay, puro 2-0 ah.
Sino tong isa? Parang hindi ko pa nakita.
I've been waiting for you.
Shall we end this?
So you've chosen to defy a god. Can't you handle this?
What do you know about me? If you have no use, stop existing.
You really have no tact.